what you see in front of me right now is what you're gonna make. Okay, so hi everybody, I'm your host, 5 minute tutorials, where in this video we're gonna make this chain. Like, not like make this, we're just gonna make one chain on the background, as you can see, and I'm gonna give you a task to do the rest. Okay, so let's go to our blender. Okay, so let me just capture mouse. Okay, so it's let's just go here and let's start. So first things first, we're gonna make the chain. So in order to make the chain, we're just gonna add a circle. We're gonna go to the Z and then tap to edit mode, and then we're gonna do is this G, and then here we're gonna scale it up to here, and then we're gonna press go into edit mode again, A, and then E. So we're gonna press escape to do it, and then scale it up, scale it down, and perfect. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just give me 2 seconds. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is basically we now what we're wait okay now I think we're done. So now what we're gonna do is we are gonna basically press A3 on our keyboard, E to extrude, and then A and bevel. Sorry, A and bevel it. Okay. So after we have done the beveling, okay, we're just gonna add another vertex. So A, bevel, and we're done. So we're gonna shade smooth, and we're gonna add another bevel modifier, and we're gonna add a subdivision surface. We're gonna add it 2 and 3. We're gonna go to 3 also. So now that we did this, what we're gonna do is sorry about that. Okay, let me just fix my microphone. Okay, now I think we're fixed now. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is make the chain part. Okay, so this one is gonna be a pretty interesting and a bit difficult one. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, so bear with me. So first what you're gonna do is add create an empty. So it's gonna be a plain axis. So let's go add an array modifier, and then let's change the fixed count to fixed curve, and then we're gonna reference our empty. Okay, sorry, not this empty, I think I took the wrong empty. So we're gonna add a plain axis. Sorry, plain. So a plain axis, let's reference that. Actually no, I don't think the plain axis works as well. We're gonna add an arrow if that doesn't work. Okay, so for some reason, oh wait, I'm an idiot. I'm actually an idiot. Okay, so object offset is gonna be the plane axis. Okay, there we go. So now if we rotate this, it's gonna rotate. Okay, so let's just okay, it's lagging because it's on 3 subdivision. My PC isn't that powerful, so it's gonna do that. So let's just rotate Z sorry, the the x-axis to 90. So it's gonna do that. We can fix this by doing it over here. Okay, and now it's fixed. So add another one. So we're gonna and yeah, voila, we fixed it. Okay, so now it's a pretty good one. So now we're gonna add a curve. So let's go to our reference again. So you can see this has a pretty curvy line, and it's looking cool and thing. So in order to fix that, we can just let's just shade it smooth again. So let's add a curve. So let me just lower all of these menus. So now we're gonna add a curve modifier. So let's shift A, okay, and then go to the curve section, add a path, and then go to here again, and then reference your path. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, if we do this, you can see, yep, it's also doing the same. So let's just rotate the path RZ. Oops, just I'm really sorry. My PC is lagging like crazy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're actually done here. Okay, so we're basically done. So the last thing in our mind is the color. So the color isn't gonna be that hard to do. Let's just change it to cycles, and then let's go to the world settings. So we're gonna do the lighting, and then if we go here, let's position the camera. Okay, I'm really sorry the recording failed. Okay, so let's go where we were. So the camera I just positioned. Okay, so let's add a light. So shift A and a aerial light, and then scale it up, G, and then move it upwards. Okay, so G and then move it upwards, R, Y, and 90, sorry, minus 90. So then what we're gonna do is change it to maybe around 10,000. So as you can see, it's pretty cool, good now. So let's add another one, and this time we're gonna R, Y, minus 90, sorry, minus 180. So it's gonna rotate completely around. So this time let's do it a bit blue, and this one is gonna be a bit redder. Okay, so a red and a blue. Okay, sorry, this is an orange, so let's do a red, and let's do this one as completely blue. Okay, so let's do completely blue, and now let's add a color. So add a metallic, like metallic render. So to do that, we're just gonna bump up the metallicness, gonna change the color to a bit here, and the roughness lower. So you can see that it's pretty well. So I think this is gonna be a really basic. Okay, so if you want a part 2 of me finishing this, then leave a comment or like the video. Okay, if we can get to 100 likes, then I'm gonna do a part 2, or if somebody comments, then I think I'm also gonna do. Okay, so I'm also gonna do a part 2. So if somebody says like please do part 2, I'm gonna do a part 2. But anyways, this is gonna be pretty basic. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And we also have a Discord server. You can join there to like talk to me more, or if you need any help, you can DM me on Discord. Okay, and we also have a Patreon. Okay, so you can support me on Patreon if you like my videos. Okay, so I'm gonna see you on the next video. Bye.